Coming to the third reform, which is called the fiscal reform. What is fiscal policy? Government earnings and expenditures are called fiscal policy. Remember, government ka earning or expenditure is fiscal policy. So what fiscal reform was done? Number one common national market has to be established for all sorts of indirect taxation. जैसे कि पहले sales tax, VAT, this, that, service tax, इतना सब कुछ नहीं रहेगा. Only there will be one common national market for taxation, जो कि in the year 2017 ultimately resulted into the bringing of GST, that is goods and service tax. Only liquor, petroleum are not under the purview of GST. Otherwise, all goods and services have come under the purview of GST. Next, simplify the tax structure. Tax structure used to be very complicated at one point of time. So that tax structure has to be simplified in order for the people to understand कि tax pay कैसे करते हैं. Next, reduce the tax rate. Tax rate reduction से लोग tax evade नहीं करेगा. It is going to reduce evasion and people will come and voluntarily disclose their income structure. That is, it was popularly called at that particular time as VDIS scheme. That is voluntary disclosure of income scheme. And bring more people under the purview of taxation so that ज्यादा लोगों से टैक्स लो पर कम टैक्स लो. That is what fiscal policy is all about. Now I want to come to a very important point, that is this entire liberalization or economic reform. The prime minister at that time was P.V. Narasimha Rao and the finance minister was Manmohan Singh, who much later became the prime minister of the country. For your question which are informative, sometimes CBSE gives informative questions, children, so be very, very careful. This financial sector reform was the result of Narasimham Committee. And the fiscal reform was the result of Raja J. Chelaiya Committee. This fiscal reform is also popularly known as the tax reform of 1991.